Welcome to a HBK electric power testing video tutorial. In this video, we want to show you how to use vertical, horizontal, and sloped cursors in Perception. Now, the display of your recording shows you all the traces of the acquired data. The two vertical cursors, normally shown by default, can be found at the very start of the traces. To create a zoom window, click and drag the mouse across an area of interest. If you click on a cursor and move it into the zoom area, you'll see it in the zoomed window. You might have noticed that the last selected cursor switches to the color red. We refer to the red cursor as the active cursor. If a cursor is selected, you can move it with the arrow keys of your keyboard. Clicking on the plus icon at the bottom will zoom in on the trace around the active cursor, which remains in a fixed position. Selecting the lock icon will lock both cursors together. Now you can move both cursors simultaneously using the arrow keys. Selecting the icon again will unlock the cursors. To enable horizontal cursors, you'll need to click on the horizontal icon at the top. To move the cursors, simply click on the cursors and drag your mouse. If you want to move both cursors simultaneously, you can select the group icon. To enable sloped cursors, click on the slope icon at the top to turn them on. You can select 1 to 3 cursors with the icon at the top, and we'll use 1 for now. A red square appears on the left side of the display. Click and drag it out to create a sloped cursor. You can adjust the angle on either end of the cursor. Clicking and dragging in the middle of the cursor will move it without changing the angle. Clicking on the table icon at the top or pressing the keyboard spacebar will display a cursor table with values for each cursor for every displayed trace, including time and delta values and units. The table can also be moved anywhere on the screen. Well, thank you for watching. See you next time.